Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by loading your clip and picking a clean reference frame where the face is visible. Once done, enable the face detector or plugin and place a tight bounding box around the face. This tells the tracker where to look. Make sure to stabilize if the camera jitter is severe, because tracking algorithms assume reasonable motion. Then run a short forward test track for 1-3 seconds to confirm the tracker locks on before committing to a full track pass. Now you refine the track where automatic tracking struggles. You'll add or adjust key points on stable facial features, eyes, nose bridge, and chin, because multiple anchors prevent rotation and scale drift. Once the solver completes, scrub through the timeline and correct any frames with visible drift by moving keyframes by hand. If jitter remains, apply a small smoothing value. This preserves motion while removing high-frequency noise. Finally, lock the track. To finish, attach your makeup, mask, or graphic layer to the baked tracking data, either parent the layer or use corner pin for perspective. Then match color and scale. Sample skin tones, add subtle feathering of 5 to 15 px, and nudge opacity for realism. If the effect slips or warps, rerun tracking with a smaller region of interest or boost contrast near features so the tracker finds reliable points. As a last resort, insert manual keyframes every 5-10 frames to stabilize challenging sequences.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.